Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video, I will be doing a barbecue. Not just any old barbecue. I'm going to be smoking some meat. I've got here some chicken wings. These are all from Costco's, by the way, so they weren't sponsored. Pork ribs, as always, gotta have pork ribs, and beef ribs. So I've got two neighbors next door who are very, very nice people, and so I thought today is I'd make them a meat tray or a meat pack. I don't know what the actual word is for it, so put in the comment below and let me know what it is. But anyway, so I'll be making a meat tray, and in the meat tray we'll have all this meat plus some sides. So I'm gonna have potato salad, that it's my specialty, some coleslaw. I've told them not to have lunch because there's gonna be a lot of food. So yeah, hopefully we'll get it done just in time before the boys play. They're playing at 3 o'clock, so yeah, better get to work now. Let's go. Before you start anything when it comes to barbecue, you got to make sure that your barbecue is set and ready to roll. Usually I've been using the Weber High Tower kettle smoker, and then I obviously use this for grilling. But today I am excited to let you guys know that I'll be using the Traeger. So thanks to our friends at Traeger who gave this to me last year, Traeger France. So merci beaucoup. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day of barbecuing. Like I said, the Traeger is so much fun to use. It's easy for those guys who don't have time, but also can't be bothered using, like natural stuff like coal or wood or stuff like that. So it's going to be a great day. Look at the weather. This is living, Barry. So yeah, we'll get that going. That's starting up now, smoking. Better get inside and give that about 30 minutes, which will then give me enough time to prep my meat and throw it in there. Yeah, let's go. So guys, while the Traeger is warming up, I am going to season the meat. You guys can use any seasoning you want. Like, I find I'm just keep it simple. I'm gonna use salt, pepper, and garlic salt. Over the years, I've always liked using all sorts of seasoning like paprika and mixing things up and stuff like that. But I just find, look, if I want to taste the meat, I feel that you don't really need that much seasoning. I think that less is best. So yeah, I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic salt for all my rubs. But the chicken wings, they're already marinated. So they're from Costco's. They're Louisiana wings, so they already have seasoning on them or marinated, whatever it is, so that'll be easy. I'll just throw that onto the barbecue. I know it is lazy, but look, it's not competition time, and not that I was ever going to be in a competition for barbecuing, but yeah, it's just easier to do. So plus I've got a lot going on today. I've got to make my famous potato salad. I wouldn't say it's famous because it's only eaten in this house, but and then some coleslaw. But look, the coleslaw, no, I bought it from a farmer's shop up the road here. For me, it's the best coleslaw I've had in the UK. Yeah, I'm still trying to learn how to make coleslaw. I know it's easy, but if anyone out there has any ideas, put in the comment box below, because I actually would love to know how to make a nice coleslaw. So I better get to work, get all this done, because the Traeger I think is beeping away and I think it's ready to go. So I'm actually kind of behind time. I was meant to start at 5 o'clock, but it's now 7:15. Oh, no. And I slept in, so anyway, better late than never, right? Let's go. So the beef ribs are in now. They're gonna be in there for 6 hours, 7 hours, maybe longer. I'm gonna leave it now. I'll come check it after 2-3 hours. And then what I'll do is I'll get a gauge of how it's going. And what I'll do is I'll just get a spritzer or a spray, and inside will be apple cider vinegar and apple juice. And I'll just give it a spray, so just to keep it, keep it wet, and so it doesn't dry up. So we'll have it a look now, give it a look, and the next time we'll open it will be in about 2 or 3 hours time. So she's ready to go. I'm so excited to be using my Traeger again. It's been a while, so yeah, let's go. So guys, it's been 2.5 hours with the pork ribs. I'm actually going to pull them out now, and I'm going to throw them in, wrap them in tin foil, but I'll also show you what else I mix it with. So a bit of butter and some more seasoning and stuff like that, but I'll show you guys later on. So guys, I've brought it out. As you can see, the ribs will be ready to wrap. So this is what I'm going to put on the with the ribs. So I'm going to lay down some butter, put some honey, some brown sugar, some more spices, or I'll throw my barbecue sauce on it, and then I'll wrap it up, and then we'll put it back in for another 2.5 hours. So let's get going, eh? Cook that now for another 2.5 hours, and then it should be good. And then by that time, the beef ribs should be done as well. And also, I'm going to put some chicken wings on. So let's go. Now let's go make some potato salad, eh? So guys, with this meat tray that I'm putting together, always got to have a side. You can't just have meat on its own. So whether that be decoration or salads or whatever you guys would call it. But for me, every time I have a barbecue, my always go-to is potato salad. My mum taught me how to make it, and then I've just added a few things along the way. But without a doubt, every time there's a barbecue in this house, there's always going to be my famous potato salad. So I'm going to have that on the side, which I'll be making. So I got this coleslaw. It's a homemade coleslaw from Marsh House Farm. They make, honestly, the best coleslaw I've had to date here in the UK. Yeah, that'll be on the side alongside my potato salad, and then the meat tray, which we'll put together towards the end. So yeah, while the meat's cooking, I'm gonna start peeling the potatoes and making this potato salad. So let's go. There you have it, guys. Potato salad's done. World's famous, well, no, it's not famous, just famous in this house. Potato salad's done, so that'll go with the meat. I'm gonna check up on the meat now, and I think it should be done soon. And then I'll put together the meat tray, and then we'll send it over to our neighbors. So let's go. So guys, all the meat has come off the smoker. A recap, so what I cooked today. So I've got chicken wings. As you can see there, came out really well, by the way. Oh my word, I've still got to put some sauce on that. The pork ribs,
came out really well. And then I've got the beef ribs here, which is sort of, I put it in, I folded it up just to cool it down. And it's been there now for 30 minutes. Potato salad and the coleslaw. So the fun bit starts now. I get to place it in the tray and get it packing. So it's 2:30 now, started about 6:30, and then hopefully I'm pushing for 3 o'clock to be served, and then we're ready to go. So far so good. Yeah, let the fun begin. All right, guys, we're going to go deliver it to the neighbours. Hope they like it. Hey, mate, all right. So here's one pack, so we're going to get the other one. It's good, there's heaps, so this is yours.
Oscar, that's simplest. It's me. Thanks very much, mate. Wow, looks amazing. Cheers, buddy.
Oh, they're all ready. They're all hungry, so they're all waiting.
They're already out there waiting for it.
Let's go. Pack number 2. Geez, I'm a good neighbour. Well, we're good neighbours, aren't we?
Neighbour.
Neighbour. Hey, Anna.
You are a star. Thanks, mate. Appreciate it.
Mate, you're good.
All right, yeah.
What do you think?
It smells amazing, doesn't it?
How much would you pay for that?
Yeah, how much did you pay for that?
30 quid?
30 quid.
Ask Nate how much.
Nate, how much do you reckon you pay for that?
How much would you pay for that?
So I paid 50 quid, 48 quid, right? One half the size of that. Yeah. The smokehouse.
Yes,
Yeah.
Double smokehouses.
Oh, there you go. Well, enjoy, guys.
Enjoy.
We'll catch up. See you guys. Hey guys, so there you have it. Meals are all done. They're all cooked, all delivered. The neighbors are happy. They're eating, which is good. And now the only thing that's left to do is to clean up. And I guess Kim and I are gonna eat as well now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. If there's any other recommendations you guys want us to do for future videos, leave them in the comment section. And yeah, until next time, guys, bye for now.